Hey guys, welcome back to the iPhone channel. Let's dive into the hot topic that has iPhone users buzzing, the Photos app in iOS 18. Many people are saying it's a real letdown compared to iOS 17, and I totally get it. The biggest complaint is about the design changes in the iOS 18 Photos app. Users miss the old, consistent layout of the control center and app icons. The new setup feels scattered and confusing, making it harder to find what you need. Plus, scrolling through photos feels slow and glitchy, even on the latest iPhone 16 Pro Max. Simple tasks have become complicated. What used to be quick and easy now feels like a treasure hunt. The straightforward layout for searching and browsing photos is gone. Plus, watching videos is now a hassle. You have to select a thumbnail and then tap again to go full screen. I know the layout of the Photos app is a major concern for everyone, but here's the good news. The entire thing is customizable. If you want to get back to the iOS 17 layout, you can manually restore it. Open the Photos app and scroll to the bottom. Here you will find Customize and Reorder. This is the order and what I have enabled. I've set up 3 photo categories that I find really necessary. Albums shows your albums. Utilities shows the utilities like hidden, recently deleted, etc. Media types shows the types of media such as videos, photos, selfies, live photos. For the rest of the features, I don't need them much, so I chose to hide them. In the album section, you can choose photos to create different types of photo collections. Like everyone else, I'm more used to the old app, but I believe that with a little time and adjustment, we'll definitely master the tricks of the iOS 18 Photos app. Alright, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you find these tips helpful, share them with your friends. Can't wait to see you in the next video.